Welcome to qnawire.
For this problem, we are going to be analyzing the graph by looking at the function. This is where derivatives and second derivatives can be really helpful because they allow us to understand how graphs are shaped. So the graph that what we're going to be graphing is x plus 1 to the fifth and that'll be plus or minus 5x minus 2. So this is the graph that we are dealing with. It is the more interesting part of the graph. Then we want to determine the intervals of increase and decrease. So it's increasing from negative infinity to negative 2, decreasing from negative 2 to 0, and then increasing from 0 to infinity. The local minimums and maximums, we can look at the graph, or we can also look at the derivative of the graph. We see that there's a local maximum at negative 2, 7, and a local minimum at 0 and 0, negative 1. So with all this in mind, we also want to look at concavity. So here's the concavity graph. We see that there is an inflection point at negative 1. And this is because the graph is concave down from negative infinity to negative 1, and then concave up from negative 1 to infinity. So with all this information that we see from the derivative and the second derivative, we're able to graph our function, which will look something like this.